Namaskar. Welcome to BKSS Sangeet Vidyalaya, and today's topic is Teen Taal. Here we begin. Teen Taal. It is also known as Trital. It has 16 beats. 16 beats are divided into 4 vibhag section in the combination of 4 beats each. It has 3 tali claps. It has 1 khali like this. We give for khali like we from hand we show this. Now 16 beats we have to write this 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16. Then in the second line bowls come. Dha dhin dhin dha, dha dhin dhin dha, dha tin tin ta, ta dhin dhin dha. Now, so always remember in the first line the matra comes, and in the second line the bowl of tals come. Now in the third line you are looking in the screen, tal signs will come. So on first it is sum, on fifth it is 2 that represent dusri tali, on ninth it is khali, and on 13 it is third tali. You remember I told that this tal has 3 claps or 3 tali. Talis claps are known as tali in Hindi. Okay, so there is a small note. X represents sum on the beat. What is sum? Sum is the starting point of the tal. Now second note, 0 represents khali on that beat. And third point, 2, 3, 4, this can be 5, 6, 7 as well. These numeric digits represents tali, clap on that beat. Also its sequence, like 2 will represent second tali, 3 is representing third tali when we will take this in a cycle. So how we will know which clap is going on? So these numbers will give you, since cross is sum and it represents the starting point of the tal. So always remember while writing the tal, first line will contain the matra of the tal, second line will contain bowl of the tal, like words which we have to use, like da din din da da din din da, da tin tin ta ta din din da, and last line will contain the signs for the tal. I hope everything is clear. If it's not clear, please comment. I will surely reply you. Now it's time for the knowledge capsule. This tal is widely used in Hindustani classical music. This tal is played on tabla. This tal is usable in all 3 tempo, namely madhya lay, that means medium tempo, vilambit lay, that means slow tempo, and drut lay, that means fast tempo. So in all 3 tempo this tal is usable. Also Jaipur Gharana, Jaipur School of Indian Classical Music, especially vocal in Hindustani, use teen tal in their Vilambit Khayal widely. What is Vilambit Khayal? That is also known as Bada Khayal. They use this tal widely in their Vilambit portion to sing. So this is the one of the major tal of Indian classical music, especially Hindustani classical music, or you can say North Indian classical music. I hope till here it is clear to you all. Now it's time for the demonstration. Here, so like this we give claps. Clear? So remember this. Here it's the time for the demonstration. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16. Now I will say the bowls, the words which we will use in the tal. dha din din da, dha din din da, dha tin tin ta, ta din din da. So the first dha should be loudly. Dha din din da, dha din din da, dha tin tin ta, ta din din da. You liked the video? Please like and subscribe for more and share to spread the knowledge. Thank you.